Hey y'all, it's Morgan. Birthday present that was really like epic, like friggin' awesome. Cause I have feast your eyes on the super spoon. Does it look like I'm a super spoon? It's pretty friggin' cool. I do eat my cereal with this. Okay, what about now? Yeah. Spoon with hair. Oh! Yesterday, I was cleaning and I was vacuuming the chair. The vacuum was like over here, and I was vacuuming the chair. Vacuum started to move, and it started moving. Hold on just a second. Hello? That was my boyfriend. Without you, 'cause it takes two to whisper quietly. It's my best friend. She thought she could play the drums. She couldn't. She was all flicking her wrist. Oh, Morgan, that's gross. Get off the stage. We want out of the city. Because first off, they were 30 minutes late. Meow, 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 meow. I love you.